Guangzhou Huaisheng Packaging Incorporated was located in Guangzhou, China. We focus on custom manufacturing of exquisite manual paper gift boxes. Company founder Maureen Wong personally engaged in paper packaging printing industry for over 24 years. The company covers over 3,000 square meters of workshop area and has 3 websites on Alibaba, with over 11 years handmade experienced staff and technical personnel for quality control, as well professional trading sales. We committed to be China's most cost-effective quality packaging factory. Main products include custom gift boxes, wine gift boxes, cosmetic gift box, perfume gift box, chocolate gift box, jewelry gift box, corrugated mailing box, flower gift boxes, electronic packaging box, custom paper bags, and etc. With a long-time experience and the advanced German 4 and 6 color printing, folding box covering machine, automatic book-shaped making machine, shaping machine, and other box-making facilities, as well as excellent services, we enjoyed a high reputation all over the world. We owned certificates of FSC and BSCI. Also, we are being awarded as Customer Assured Company, Quality Assured Brand since 2019, and in 2019, we listed on Guangdong Equity Exchange and got HS trademark. Making everyone in the world to use our packaging is our final goal. We look forward to cooperating and establishing the long-term win-win relationships with you.